All right, this is Tundra's cat test. We're gonna see, hi Tundra.
Hi, Tundra.
We're gonna see how you do with kitty cats.
Come on, Tundra.
And Kitty is in a dog bed over here.
Little kitty.
Wow, that's an excellent start there.
Tundra.
His tail was wagging. He wasn't aggressive and he turned away and didn't fixate on the cat. So these are all great things.
The kitty. Come on, Tundra. He don't like the kitty.
Did you decide that kitty's too scary for you? See, that cat is not scared of dogs at all. He's just being a big goofball with his mouth hanging open.
You're the kitty?
You're more interested in getting hugs from Lisa.
I know you know this kitty's right here. Come on.
he's being a very good ignorer, isn't he?
Yeah. Tundra. Come on.
He says, I have no interest in having anything to do with that cat.
Come on. Come on. Come on. There's a kitty. There's a kitty right here. You like the kitty?
Oh, excellent. I can tell you've met a kitty before.
Good boy. All right. Good doggy.
I think that'll work just fine. That's excellent, Tundra. Wonderful.